All right, so I'm going to get right into it. This is how you get a list of dates for a lookup table in Power BI, right? In the M query language in PowerQuery. So I'm probably going to get some of the terms wrong, but this is super exciting because you get into some really advanced stuff and you can build your own lookup tables. So you do list.dates, and then you have the start date here. So I have January 1st, 2014. I'm going to go for 365 days. And if I change it to 5, you can see there how that changes. And then the duration, I'm doing 1 day, but you can change these. The next step is to convert it. You got to convert it into a table. So you click this button and it converts it into a table. Usually I just select the normal stuff. And now you have a consecutive list of dates and you can start building your lookup table. So second thing is I work with a lot of IoT data, and in IoT data, a lot of it just streams in. I take data every 5 seconds sometimes, and I need a list of times. So I found with the help of Razorrad online and the calendar table, I really follow Avi Singh stuff, and I'm going to show that in a second. But you list times, list.times, and then you have your start time, which I'm starting at midnight. I'm going to go for a number of seconds in the day, and then the duration, I'm going to do 1 second, and this you can adjust too. So for example, this is a second, and for IoT data, I actually use it by the minute. So you'll see here, so it's 12, 12:01, 12:02, so you can see there it keeps the minutes. Same thing, you got to convert it into a table, so click on that. And now it's a table ready for it to go. I'm gonna give you a teaser. I have some AI cameras detecting as objects and people pass in front of the camera. And I've gotten it to normalize, and then I am detecting peak time. So this is a counter, and you can see the peak time, the peak dwell time of that data. I'm just going to finish with one thing is if you've been playing in Power BI for a while, Star Schema is so important. So there's a great video by Guys in a Cube. So go check that out. Let me know if you want the link in the comments below, but just search for Guys in a Cube Star Schema. And then for me, the calendar table, I learned so much from Avi Singh. So go to this video in particular is really, really good. And then if you need a timetable for your IoT type data, Razorrad, one of the best too. So Avi Singh, Guys in a Cube, Razorrad, you can't go wrong with those three. So check those out, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.